Let me know when the last one gets through the water hole.
How you doing, Billy? Through the water hole.
Time for.
She was a little deep.
A little bit. If you would have went another foot or two to the right, you would have found out what deep was.
It's the undercarriage deep clean.
Hey Rick, did you have any water coming in your door? Because it sure as hell looked like it should have been. I have no idea. We had a little bit come in the passenger door.
Do you have any coming in?
I don't feel any.
His drain plug is open. Whoever that was. Yeah. Whoops.
Well.
Now when we get up here to Waterfall, there's one rule. First time you do it, you're not allowed to use lockers.
Copy that. Lockers. Darn.
Hey, my new S Pen was delivered.
Oh yeah, I forgot. You lost yours.
Maybe your winch hook's hanging.
Yeah, can you bump that up? You can't? I'll winch while you watch.
I can't see it.
I can't see it. Hang on. Let me pull ahead of you. Okay, I'll stop. Okay, winch it up. You got about a foot hanging out. How are we looking? It's not moving. 3. It must be bound up or something. Hold on a second.
If you can make it up here to where I am, there's a little road that you can pull up on the left side. That way you're not walking through the river.
Copy that.
It's a private drive, so I wouldn't go up it too far, but you can pull off the edge there.
It's good enough for me to get out real quick.
I don't ever know who the hell's talking. I think that's the guy in the 390.
Alright, Betty, hang back there for a minute.
Copy.
dripping down through here.
Are we in the waterfall? Nope, not yet. Are we the waterfall? Remember, I was once told not to go chasing waterfalls. Oh, you'll see.
Hey, it says stick what you're used to in the song. We're used to this.
Yeah. Here comes the waterfall.
Oh, that's awesome.
No lockers.
You did it with no lockers?
Yeah. I didn't grab the radio. Driver's side right there. Woo-hoo. Almost went for a ride. Tell them they can go right up past us as a parking lot. Tell them to stay to the right side. Yeah. You want to stay this way. Back up a little. Here, throw me the radio. There you go. That'll work. Driver. That's one way to do it.
You might want to check your bumper before you open your tailgate.
Oh, that sucks.
Now, if you see where that boulder is in the middle, put your driver's side tire right on that. have to go that far, passenger. This is the group that we had out here in Vinton County. Just come up over Waterfall. That's going to be the last trail for the evening. Everybody's getting ready to head out and head home. Did everybody have fun in Vinton County? Yeah. Everybody want to come back and try it again? Yeah. All right. What was that? Oh. What's this thing doing something?
Oh, we cracked our windshield.
What?
We cracked our windshield.
Oh. How the hell that happened? Yep, got a nice little crack in the top of the windshield coming down off that. For a second I thought maybe the GoPro hit it, but it's still mounted where it's supposed to be, so I don't know what happened there. Okay, now remember, you're going to want to hug the, it'll be your right side this time, as tight as you can.
Yes, don't go left.
Yeah,
Copy
it's
the right.
It's very
Left,
deep.
right. Right.